Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We have a tune-up report today for Benjamin in California on the new RCI-2950DX6. That's the 100-watt version of the 2950. Okay, let's check it out. Alright, I got it all the way down to run AM. Let's check that out over here. 10 watts on the top scale. All the way down is 2. Now I'm going to go up to the next scale. 10, 20, 30s on the bottom. Rotate the dial all the way up to 20, 21. Now I got a 250 slug over here. That 10 at the top is 100. Got to add 2 zeros now. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And now sideband. Turn this radio down. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Alright. Other sideband. Back to AM real quick. Let's pop it on the antenna. Breaker 1 down for radio check.
Radio talking.
I appreciate it, thank you.